Riza Ramuran. Welcome to ACNHS Chef. I'm gonna cook carbonara with Philippine style.
The ingredients:
Cheese, ham, onion, garlic, egg, mushroom, cream, and of course, the spaghetti.
Let us now cook the Add pasta in a boiling water. Gently push the pasta.
Add salt in the boiling water. Stir occasionally to prevent pasta from sticking.
While cooking the pasta, let us now make the carbonara sauce.
Put ham in little oil. Grate until golden brown. Add onions. Add garlic.
Mix them all together.
Put pepper. Add mushroom. Add cream. Salt. Add grated cheese. Mix them all. Again. Beat the egg.
Mix beaten eggs.
Turn off heat. Stir sauce more. When pasta is cooked, quickly drain.
Toss pasta in the sauce.
Add grated cheese. Now, we have yummy carbonara in Filipino style. Yum, 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 yum.